Hi guys, I'm Olivia and welcome back to my channel, LivsCrafts. So today, as you can see, I'm outside and I hope this wind is not messing with the audio. You're going to be watching me create my fairy garden. So basically, if you want inspiration or ideas for your own fairy garden, you can check out mine. So yeah, so this is going to be so much fun. So last year I also did a fairy garden and it was more fairy garden themed, like it was just fairies and houses with like logs and stuff. If I have a picture, I'll put one in right now. I think I do, hopefully I do. But anyway, this year's fairy garden, I'm making it farm themed. So it's gonna have a lot more like farm animals and things like that. And if you didn't know, I kind of live on a small farm myself, which is kind of like where I got the inspiration for it. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. So this is what I have so far. I have this little like tractor planter with like a little wagon that holds like this flower, and it's like the best thing I've like found ever. As you can see, I still have to pull like some more weeds, but yeah. And then I have this like little water fountain guy that has been here. It was in my last year's fairy garden as well, and I thought I might as well just put it in again this year. And then I have like all this space to just like create, besides this little barn that I have in here already, which is like these doors open and close or whatever. So this is like a Lego barn that I got like out of a kit that I bought from Walmart. That's like actually a toy set, but I'm using it for a fairy garden. So yeah, so I have this little guy, and then I have some like flowers and stuff I have to plant. And yeah, I have like two giant things of things that I'm going to use and create. So let's just get started. Okay, so I've been working a little bit since the last time you guys seen it, and I think I'm doing pretty good. But I want to talk about one of the tips that I like to use while I'm working. So basically while I'm working, what I like to do is I like to have all the materials that I have like surround me. Like I have like my animals like over here, I have like my fairies and tractors and things over here. I have like some other things over there, and I have like some fairy stuff there, and in that blue bag over there I have rocks that are painted white, so I can make like little pathways and things. But yeah, that's just one of the tips that I like to use while I'm making my fairy garden. So yeah, let me show you guys where I'm at. So you guys have already seen this over here. It's just the tractor and the thing, and I put this little swan here because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to do something with it. But I figured if swans live like by the water, so that's where I'm at with that. This is just a mess. I'm like planting these flowers as I go. This is a pink flower. That is going to be a purple flower. I hope it comes back. It took me a while to plant things, but I hope it comes back. Back here I have like this little like dump station. So like it could be like a pile of wood or a pile of whatever you want to call it. I have my little fairy outhouse. I have my flower. I have a rooster and the house and a little four-wheeler, and then I have this like tractor with a wagon carrying like hay to like the barn in that direction. And then back here I have a little pen with some bigger horses, like a water trough, the barn. This is also for flour. These are like some sheep in here, and like a little red pen with a chicken, some flowers, and that's where I'm at. This is all the animals I have left. I also have some more like in this box that are just like on top and like in the bottom and things. But yeah, this is where I'm at so far, and I'll check back in a little while. It's been a while since I've updated you guys, but I actually finished my garden, and well, I'm not completely finished. I want to go to the store and buy some of that like moss, so I can like make it look like it has grass, because like a farmyard usually has grass stuff looking. So yeah, without further ado, let me show you my garden. But here's what I got. So starting at this end, as you've seen, we have this little tractor planter, and then we have this little guy, which is little, I think it's a geranium flower in a little wheel. And then moving on down here, fountain, I have this little Nomi guy that's like on his little mushroom. He's just kind of like sleeping, hanging out by the water. I put these stones in front of the fountain along with this duck and this swan. And if we come back this way towards the tractor, I planted some more flowers and have a couple solar lights in here. And I have some more flowers, and this little Nomi dude, which I had in here last year. This is supposed to be a bird bath, which I might fill with some water. And then I have another plant here. And then behind it, I have this little house that I got off of Etsy. I'll link it in the description box down below if you're interested. I broke this and had to like re-glue it, so don't mind this like little hole over here. But yeah, so there's this little house. It's so cute. And on the top, it says fairy dance every Saturday, gnomes welcome. And it's so cute. And then I have this little fairy girl that I had last year. And my solar light over here is supposed to be a little like field. Which is why I have like this bigger tractor and like this disc plow thing. But this is supposed to be like a little field, which I tried to make it look like it was like plowed in rows, but it's just not working for some reason. The soil is just like not staying. And then I have this little tractor with, it says ammonia, which I don't know how to say the first word, but it says ammonia on it. So I have it going like towards this field here. And then I have this like little path that leads up to like the rest of the fairy garden here. And in the back over here, I have this little dump truck dude and this little flower. And then this is a dump truck that leads to like this little pile of like wood and rocks and things. I have my little outhouse. I have those plants. I have this like little pad with the truck that's like parked next to the house. And then I have this little chicken dude. And then I have like a sidewalk that comes to the path. Then I have this little table. Along back here, I have these like mini farmers, and I'll have all this like fairy stuff that I got, like this house and that barn over there, and like these mini farmers, which you can't even see because they're so tiny. But there's a wife and a husband farmer there, and I'll have this house and this house linked in the description box down below. I also have this little four-wheeler next to the house because like on a farm, your four-wheeler is like your transportation. I have some more flowers, and I have this little pen with some bigger horses and a water trough on it. And then I have this little tractor, which has like a wagon, and it's carrying some hay that's like coming out of the barn with the like trailer parked out front. And then this path just like leads to the whole entire like fairy garden thing, as you can see. If we come this way from the path, we have like this solar light. And we have these animals, which is a mixture of like, this is like a donkey, cows, horses, and I think that's it. There's like this giant bull over here in this pen, and then this horse has a saddle on it, so I decided to like leave it out like it's supposed to be like tied to the fence type of thing. And then this is where I'm going to put like the grass, because I feel like this just looks weird, like plain like dirt wise. So I'm gonna get the moss and put this here. I have a little flower over here, and I have a little solar light. And in this, I have this little fairy that I also bought off a line, which on Etsy from the same shop, which I will have all linked down in the description box down below. She's like petting some rabbits. I have this chicken wandering. And then in this pen, I have like pigs and goats and sheep. And then moving back here, we have a bigger tractor carrying this wagon. And then we have this flower and the barn, as you saw, with a little horse trailer out front. And that's pretty much it. I have a giant solar light over there, and that's a little flag I have to whip around, but it says "You Are My Sunshine" on it. And yeah, this is pretty much my garden. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below what videos you want to see more from me, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the big thumbs up button. And this is my cow Norman. He's my first cow ever, and he's so cute, right, Normie? Right, Normie? Yeah. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye.